Jeep Wrangler. It's a TJ model. It looks like it's in perfect condition because the metal on the outside of the vehicle is galvanized, but the underside has a frame, and the frame is what rots out. The bottom of this vehicle has a very rusty frame, and the transmission is dropping down, and our kids will repair that, and the vehicle will be back on the road and being in there for a lifetime. What the sandblasting will do is remove all of this double layer rust. So then when we're done, we can give it a good rust proofing and it'll last, the repair will last a long time. I like to get rid of that double layer. There's a good chunk there. The rust gets behind there and just keeps going, so we want to stop all that. Then we're going to cut the frame about halfway up to get rid of all the rot that's on the bottom here. A little yellow Jeep here, TJ 2000, is going to go from the bay over here. We've inspected the vehicle, and we're going to bring it over to our sandblasting bay, which is over on this side. And that's where the rust is going to be sandblasted clean. So it'll end up being a better job. Here that will repair the middle of a Jeep where the skid plate attaches. The original frame rots out on the bottom, the whole thing drops down, so we make this kit that you go up about halfway up on a frame, you cut away the bottom of it, and this would slide over the frame and it would weld along the top. Alright, this shows you the yellow Jeep that we showed you before, and we've done repair work to it. We've replaced this frame section here, all the way down here, where the skid plate bolts up. And this is after about 2,800 miles since we last showed this Jeep here. We wanted to put the kids in, drive it for close to 3,000 miles, and then re-inspect everything again. There's been no changes whatsoever, no fatigue, crack. Everything looks perfect. Now we're going to end up coating it again. This is to show you what the kit looks like installed. We didn't coat it. We wanted to leave it so we could really take a look at it thoroughly. We put about close to 3,000 miles on this vehicle, and it's holding up just fine, and it should be good for another 100,000 miles or whatever. Skid plate bolted up nice and solid. All the way up here. They're all very weak areas. And we put drain holes. We have a drain hole back here that allows anything that gets in this thing, the wind going through here will pull it right out of here. You put it in an area here so it doesn't get splashed up into. See it right here. There it is. Right there. That's all it takes. The factory should have done. They didn't. We do.